sandwich was amazing today. Yeah. See you tomorrow? Definitely. I am on the bus now. Alex! My phone is gone. I can't find it. Zara, you lose everything. Your keys? Your homework? No! I had it on the bus. I checked my bag 3 times. Okay. When did you use it last? I was calling Yuki. It's gone, Alex! Zara, where did you last see the phone? On the bus. Seat 12, 5:30 bus from downtown.
I lost my wallet once. Did you check your jacket?
Yes. Dad, everything. Let me try find my phone. No signal. Battery dead? Bus company first. What's their number? I don't know. My phone had it. Yuki, I lost my phone on the bus. Oh no, don't panic. Call the bus company like this. Hello, I lost my black iPhone, case with stars, on the 5:30 bus. Black iPhone, star case, 5:30 bus. Got it. Perfect. Say your name and number too. Thanks, Yuki. You are the best. Hello? Whose phone is this? Zara and her sister. Recent call to Yuki. Someone will know her. Let me call. Hi, is this Zara's house? I found her phone. Yes. Oh, thank you. Where are you? Bus 5:30 route, park stop, in 15 minutes.
Park stop! That's 10 minutes walking.
Zara, grab your bag. Let's go!
Lina! You found it! Thank you so much. No problem. I saw your sister on the lock screen. That's us. You're so kind. Zara, did clear English work? Yes, Yuki taught me the right words. Teamwork. Next time, phone case with your name?
Great job today, everyone. What did we learn?
Stay calm and ask for help. Speak clearly, even when nervous. Check battery before you panic. And lock screen photos help Strangers!